Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, Earnings Release Analysis. August 1, 2023 Post-Market.
Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action.
Advanced Micro Devices is scheduled to release its Q2 2023 result after market close on August 1, 2023. The revenues for Q2 is expected to show a decline of 19% compared to a year ago. The EPS is estimated to be 57 cents, which is a reduction of 45.71% as compared to same quarter last year. There will be multiple factors expected to impact AMD's Q2 results. One of them is the lower revenues from client segment because of weak PC market, slower data center and wireless infrastructure trends. These will see the top line growth suffered. In the video, I will be looking at some of the fundamental data, sentiments, and technical analysis to see how AMD earnings most likely turn up. Most importantly, whether we can find an opportunity to trade. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, earnings data. From what we have seen in previous quarters, I would think AMD might have a slightly lower EPS or just meet the forecast of 57 cents. This is because the global PC shipment has decreased by 16.6% year over year, according to a report by Gartner. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, earnings history. Based on the last two quarters' EPS performance, AMD might have beat the forecast by very close margin. This quarter their data center revenues might be weak due to challenging macroeconomic conditions, but AMD might benefit from an expanding partner base and strong demand for Pensando DPU. Though AMD has announced several new products, including processors and graphics cards, these should contribute to its top-line growth. This might not materialize in this Q2 earnings report. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, year-to-date earnings. AMD has given a more than 70% growth YTD, so I would consider AMD for a longer-term investment. There might be some price adjustment if Q2 earnings turn out to be less positive. I would look out for the management guidance on the next two quarters of 2023. This should be better as AMD has some partnerships and new product lines that should boost its top-line growth moving forward. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, Financial Overview. I would be looking out at its revenue and the free cash flow allocated for investing and financing. The reason why this is important is because AMD would require funds for new product lines. On top of new product lines, financing would also be important as they are building partnership collaboration. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, Sentiment Analysis. Investors have been positive on AMD as we can see that investors have been increasing their holdings 0.2%, last 7 days, and 3.4%, last 30 days. I believe there might be a chance that investors would take opportunity to increase holdings for long-term investing after the earnings. Technical Analysis, Simple Moving Averages, SMA. AMD is in a bull trend, but we need to be aware that its current price is slightly below SMA 50. This is because if a stock's price moves significantly below the 50-day moving average, it normally suggests that there is trend change to the downside. I will continue to monitor and see how AMD would trade before and after its earnings release. Technical Analysis, Relative Strength Index, RSI. RSI momentum look normal, there is no potential signs of oversold or overbought in the near term. We will need to be aware that it might change if the earnings turn out expectedly. Technical Analysis, Average Directional Index, ADX. ADX is currently below 20, which indicate a weak trend. Plus D is very close to D, and there is a possibility of D going above plus D, which suggest a bearish downwards movement. I would think it is better to monitor the price action on August 1, 2023 trading day and see how the investors are reacting. Technical analysis, parabolic SAR. AMD has gone through a bearish reversal in mid-July, and it has been in a bearish downwards trend since. We do not see any potential bullish reversal forming from SAR, hence, I will watch and monitor the earning release closely. I do not think it is a good time to plan for an entry. Summary. From what I have shared and observed, I would expect AMD to report a less than expected EPS, or the best case scenarios would be it met the 57 cents estimate. The technical analysis indicators has suggested that AMD has the tendency to go into a bearish trend, but it will depend on the earnings and how long will this bear trend last. I will hold on to my trading plan to find an entry before its earnings on August 1, 2023. Appreciate if you could share your thoughts in the comment section whether you think AMD will report a lower than EPS estimate. They may have some plans to boost their revenues, but this might not be in this quarter, Q2.
Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support.